Hello friend, today we are going to download and install Visual Studio, not VS Code. Okay, for that we have to open our browser and search for Visual Studio, and after that hit enter. We have this first link, visualstudio.microsoft.com. Click here, and after that you will see there's three versions. First is for Windows, second is for Mac, and the third one that we already know is VS Code. That is a simple text editor. Okay, now we have to download here because we are downloading for Windows machine. I just click here and click for community. It has three versions. The first one is free and the other one are paid. Okay, I just click for free, and after that it will start downloading. Okay, now after download just click on show in folder, and after that I minimize this screen and double click on it. It will take some time. Okay, I just minimize this also. Now click on yes. Now just click on continue. After that you have to select which language or which framework you want to install Visual Studio. I am just using .NET, and after that now I just click here and you can see which thing we have to download for .NET framework. Okay, I just download and install. You need to have good amount of internet and good speed. Okay, I'm now clicking on install. Okay, it will take some time. Okay, now after downloading all the dependencies, let's launch this. Now here you can see the sign in option or create account. You can just skip for now. I just click here. After that you can select your language from here: JavaScript, Visual Basic, Visual C#, C++. I click on general, and after that I choose the dark theme. You can select any from here, and after that you can select your theme also. Okay, now just start Visual Studio. Here you can choose create new project. If you have already, then just open folder. I just click on create. Here I click on app.net framework. Now after that, now here we have to give the name, and this is the location of our file, and after that this is the framework that is using. I just keep all things as it is. You can change the name. Okay, now after that click on create. Now our project is created. Here you can see some of the packages are imported here, and you can see this static void main. It is similar like public static void main of Java. Now here you can increase your display size. For example, it is 100%. It is smaller, that's why I zoom it 150%. Okay, now after that I use console. Dot write in line, and after that we have to provide in code this is my first VS program, and after that we have to provide semicolon. Now after that we use console read key, and after that we provide this. Here we have to run two commands. First is console.writeLine. It is something like print statement in any programming language, and this is the another thing that is used to print that line. You can see in C or C++ we use first to print, and after that we read with the help of another statement. This is something like that, and after that we have to just click on build. Now here you can click on build. It will take some time. Okay, after building, you can just click on the run button, and your program is run in this command prompt. Because it is a console app, that's why command prompt is visible and your code is running successfully. You can see this is my first VS program, and here you can see we have this is my first VS code program. Okay, now that's it for today's video. In this video we see how we can download and install Visual Code Studio, and after that we see how we can set up our first project in .NET Framework. Hope you liked this video. If you did, please subscribe my channel, share with your friend, and bye bye.